Hey friends, Tuxx here. No matter if you're doing stage work like DJing or in a band, having a good wireless in-ear system really helps a lot. And this is one that I'd recommend. This is the Melonare PM2S. That's Melonare PM2S. And this is a very inexpensive little wireless system that has good quality. It's 24-bit, 48 kilohertz. Okay, so this is going to do a great job for you. And it's not going to break the bank either. Before I go further, I will mention I'll have the lowest price available for this right below. So be sure and click that link to get yours, okay? This could also make a great gift for somebody if you know someone who's in a band or aspiring to be in a band, that kind of thing. But you can see it comes in a very wrappable little box here. Very cool. The actual specs of it, the frequency response is 20 to 20, okay? Signal to noise ratio is 100 dp, and wireless band is 2.4 gig, okay? So really good. And the range is roughly about 155 feet. So there's a good amount of range there from transmitter to ear, But let's go ahead and open this up here and check it out together. We'll pop the top here and see what we have in the box. Now these guys also make some cool mic systems and that kind of thing too that I'd recommend. So maybe we'll do something with those down the road. And right here you can see it does come with a little book. And it has basic overview, instructions for setting up, system setup, everything you need to get going. Talks about the transmitter, the buttons on it, specifications, and everything you need. And of course, warranty and technical information. So we'll put that to the side right now. And then here are the transmitter. These are nicely packed in here, very secure, and their little foam cuff in here. And I think there's something at the bottom. Let's go ahead and pull out the bottom here and check out the accessories first. And you can see one thing I love about this. You guys know I love new cables with new devices, and these guys do a really great job of including a lot of things right in the box with you, pretty much everything you need here. So you can see here we have a 3.44 stereo, which is very good. We have the USB, and this is one USB to two USB-C. And I have to tell you, out of whenever I get one of these, this is kind of like a little gold mine for charging other devices too. So these are great cables to have. The one USB-A to 2 out C, really handy. So that's great for charging both of them at the same time, or two other devices too. And it does come with a actual adapter here. This is a 8 to a 3.4. Okay, gold, very attractive. Has a nice grip to it too, which is good. And then finally here, this is really nice. This, you guys know I love braided cables, okay? And this is an extremely nice black braided USB-C to USB-C. And it's great they include the right links too, because while a lot of people might have extra USB-Cs, to have a short one like this is really hard to come by. So kudos to these guys for including everything just right out of the box that you need. Now taking a look at the devices themselves, let's go ahead and unpack this here and check out these guys. You can see a very nice clip here for clipping onto you, and right here you can see this is USB-C, as we talked about, and we do have a headphone jack right there. Okay, power button conveniently located at the top, and you can see it's a nice little square, very convenient. We have rockers on the side here, and there is the PM2S logo, so very good, very professional looking too. Let's go ahead and open up the next one here. There we go, and you can see right here, this is the TX, okay? And this is one does allow you to switch from mono to stereo and back, so that is very handy. Sometimes you want to do mono, honestly. I know people everyone's, jonesing for stereo sound, but sometimes if you're on stage in DJing or something and you want to have it be even, it's I would assume that because it's just mono, it would actually make the transmission even better. So you might even be able to eke out a little extra range out of that too. But you can see here is the USB-C. There's the input. Again, very nice little clip-on. Very cool. And there's the two buttons on the side. So very good. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There's the input and the output. Okay, so it's a great way to actually transmit to yourself if you're on stage or want to do something wireless. You can actually have this. You're transmitting, feedback, instructions, whatever you have, and someone's actually, putting words to your ear, kind of like an audible teleprompter, whatever you want to use it for. There's a lot of great uses for these. Now for the transmitter, the specs, I want to go over these again here. I want to make sure you have it down. So it is a 3.5 millimeter, TRS audio input. Okay, so very simple, very easy to use. From that point is USB-C, and that is OTG audio input. Okay, so that's a direct input. It could be from a smartphone, a tablet, that kind of thing. The power, we have power button, okay, and we do have the volume up and down, very simple. And the indicator lights, there is a RF indicator light and a battery indicator light. Fresh from the factory, these usually don't have a charge, but let's try. Oh no, check it out, actually it's a charge. So you can see right there is the battery, and then the stereo or mono. You can switch between stereo and mono, which is a very nice touch, okay? The battery is 300 milliamps, okay, so that's for chargeable lithium battery. So it'll give you a good runtime of about 10 hours, depending upon use. So that is more than enough for a couple hour DJ gig or a security job gig or whatever you have. So very cool. Now the receiver specs, so you have this. The controls basically are very similar. We have 3.5. Okay, from there is a volume up, volume down. There is a power. We'll hit power on this one here real quick. There you go, same thing. Like the professional lights too, looks really good. The battery on this is 300 milliamps, okay, and it's the same 10 hours. So both of these two are spec'd very similarly, and I really like the form factor. Very cool, As far as charging goes, again, be very easy to charge these. Love the fact that it actually comes with this, split USB-C cable, so you can easily plug this into one USB-A input, and then from there you can go ahead and plug in these two different ones, and that just makes it really good. And I gotta tell you again, loving the fact they actually include the cables with it. If you were to have to go, sometimes you buy a device like this and it doesn't include any of the cables. And this could easily be an extra, $10, like $5, like $4, so it includes a lot with it right there. And again, this whole setup, cables included, are not going to break the bank. And again, I will have the very best price for you right below. To recap, this is a Melonare, that's Melonare PM2S, and this is a wireless in-ear transmitter and receiver setup. And again, it includes everything you need, all inclusive right out of the box, which makes it very handy, and I very appreciate all the little extras that come with it. So really good stuff. It auto pairs on power up. It has the option of doing mono and stereo with one-touch switching, which is great. It has OTG direct monitoring from phones, tablets, etc. The belt clips are very handy to actually be able to wear these. Very strong, nice clip to them. And just the fact that they look sharp too is really important to me, And it has a nice stable digital RF performance in crowded rooms, that kind of thing. So it's really good to be able to use and be able to keep your connection, because no matter how good or how expensive a setup is, if it can't keep a connection between the receiver and the transmitter, it's worth nothing, So these guys do a great job and a great value too, okay? If you guys have any questions about the PM2S setup, please let me know in the comments below, okay? And you guys know I'm here to help. I want to thank you for making it to the end of this video. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.